Hey y'all, it's Kyra. I'm back with another clean with me. So tonight I had just got off of work and I wanted to make some spaghetti and garlic bread. So I hurry up and got my kitchen all the way together. I don't know about you guys, but I really cannot cook or start on anything unless my kitchen is clear. It really gives me like that blank canvas feel, and I just need to be organized while I'm cooking. So I hurry up and got all of that together. It really wasn't too much, just had to put away a bunch of stuff and then of course wipe down the surfaces. Kyrie was so cranky tonight. I don't know what was going on with him, but I didn't get a chance to film everything, but I did also clean up his bathroom, my bathroom, my room, and then I left his room alone because honestly, I clean up toys every single day, and then the next day they're right back the same way. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to put some music on, and I will catch you guys on the next video.
Watching you go, I wanted to stop, though I already know it's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Keep lying just to make me feel I'm not lonely. It's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Baby, baby, you're kidding me. I just want you to hold me. Things ain't the same.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? to get me back to you. Yeah, nah, yeah, to get me back to you. And not deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness, man. No be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost right. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you.
that